Good day everyone. I'm Mark Justin D. Viernes from Black N, and I'm going to portray Dr. Jose Protasio Rizal. Achievements: a Filipino nationalist and revolutionary leader, a, a polymath, writer, doctor, artist, and philosopher. Key figure in the Philippines Revolution against Spanish colonial rule. Authored No Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, novels that inspired Filipinos to rise against oppression. Advocated for education, reform, and human rights. A martyr who was executed on December 30, 1896, and became a symbol of a Filipino fight for independence. Leadership strategy. Intellectual leadership. Rizal used his writing to awaken national consciousness and promote reforms. He led through ideas, emphasizing the importance of education, critical thinking, and empathy. Non-violent resistance. Unlike other revolution leaders of his time, Rizal believed in peaceful reforms and sought change through intellectual discourse rather than armed rebellion. He was committed to the idea that freedom could be achieved through enlightenment. Personal example. Rizal led by example. He dedicated his life to the service of his fellow countrymen. His work as a doctor, his dedication to learning multiple languages and fields of study, and his unwavering commitment to Filipino unity demonstrated the values he hoped to inspire in others. Personal example. Rizal led by example. He dedicated his life to the service of his fellow countrymen. Global vision. Through a Filipino, Rizal saw the world beyond national borders. His travel in Europe exposed him to progressive ideas, and he advocated for the Philippines integration into the global community as an equal, not a subject of colonial domination. Jose Rizal's leadership was not defined by a position of power but his unwavering commitment to justice and reform. He believed that true leadership was about inspiring others, cultivating a sense of duty and patriotism, and using knowledge and integrity as tools for social change. Kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan.